Yes, this is our cassava stick, which we will be planting on this very field that we've already sprayed, nice and clean. We'll be embarking on another 1 acre cassava planting project again, and aside the so that is what is going to happen here, and so we got these cassava sticks worth about 1,000 Ghana cedi. It's many though. Let me show it all. So from here we'll be keeping it here till the people that will be planting for us will come in 2 days. It's another one. So when they come, then we'll start the process of planting. Yes, approximately like an acre here in the area in which we live, which we stay. The workers here probably will take between 400 to 500 for planting of an acre, depending on your negotiation. So that is it. So on this very plot of land, this is where we did our second okra production, which didn't do well due to unavailability of water. We've been bringing water, but it was not in abundance, so that was why it failed. So the next time we'll be doing vegetable project here again. That means it should be in the rainy season. But if you want to cash out and your profit margin should be bigger, it should be in the drying season. So probably you have to get a borehole or have a tanker to supply you water in abundance. I don't know what fruit it is, but it's somewhere here. It looks nice, but I don't think it's edible. Yeah. Okay, back to the video. So how we prepare this land? We started by engaging our farm hands to clear the land. It was a little bit bushy, but not too much, and they cleared here, and we paid them around 350 cedi, excluding food, and we gave it a time for the new grasses to start showing up, and they started to grow again, and we applied some systemic weedicides to kill the weeds on the field. So for clarification purposes, I'll be mentioning the name of some chemicals, but nonetheless, I'm not doing any advert for anybody. Just in case if somebody is watching this video, he or she will be able to replicate same and do the same thing as you see on this very field. So what we did was we bought chemical called glyphogan, and one called passion. I think some people, like the suppliers, do order in box, so they do tell them to write their names on it, but I don't know the real name of that passion this thing, because that same thing they have some called Nrua. Yes, so you can check them out if you think you would like to spray something like this. So that is it. So this very place, after applying it onto the grasses, why we bought the two is we wanted to see which one was more effective than the other, but looking at things, they all proved to be working. Yes, they all proved to be working. So for me, I can go in for any of the two at any given day. So that is it. So after we applied that one, we left here for the chemicals to take effect on the land. So after that, when they started dying and withering off, we came by again later and we applied the chemical called Gramazole, which is a systemic, a contact-based chemical. Its effect is very rapid. So the moment we see the grasses dying off and they are becoming yellow in color, we applied it, and I think the following day to the third day or so, we started seeing this result. So that is it. We'll be planting cassava here. So that is our cassava stick, which we went to buy. From transporting to this thing costs us about 1,000 CD. This very farm, an acre of this, so this is a 2-acre farm. An acre costs us about 1,000 last year in the drying season around October, November. Yeah. So take note. The prices will be based on the area in which you live. So if you want to go into something like this, you can venture into it. Yes. This is MJ Farm Base again. Our main goal on this channel is to go into agriculture for commercial purpose, and also encourage people, especially the youth, to also do so that all the information we'll be sharing here, somebody can look at it and look at our videos, watch our videos, and pick 1 or 2 points from it and use it to replicate similar thing or even mega farm at your end. So that is it. See you in our next video. Till we meet next time. This is MJ Farm Base. If you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so by subscribing to the channel, so that anytime we post our videos, you'll be able to see it. Share our videos so that it will enhance our visibility on the internet as well. Thank you very much. See you in our next video. Peace. We are out. On this plot, we are preparing the land again for another cassava cultivation. So half of the portion is sprayed. It's left with another half to commence the planting of the cassava. So stay tuned and watch the video till give out all the information about this field as well. The reason why we are sharing this information is that people who are interested will be able to duplicate same as we are doing, or even do more than what we are doing. Just being guided with the information we give out here. So thank you for watching this channel. If you've not yet subscribed, please do so. Share our videos to other people to see it, to enhance our visibility on the internet as well. Thank you very much. Keep watching. This is the final result of the field, and we planted the cassava sticks. They are all ready to go. Yes, as you can see in this part of the video, we are almost done on this farm. What is left is clearing and other stuff. Watch out for our new commercial cassava farm coming up, and we'll be sharing all those videos with you in the few coming days. Keep watching our channel, keep supporting us, so that we will also be able to give out the information. See you in our next video.